I got a box delivered to the door and I wasn't quite sure what it was, and I thought maybe it was my JoJo's, and I'm like pulling out the paper like this, trying to figure out what the heck it is. And I'm like, oh, it's all the stuff I ordered from Mrs. Meyer's, and I actually got a couple things that I don't need or want that I'm probably gonna just give away. Daniel said he'll take the hand lotion. Yeah, so I did like a shopping spree on Mrs. Meyer's on their website, pretty much. I bought everything. I got 3, there should be, Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Apple Liquid Hand Soap, 1 Pear Tree Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner Spray, which there is. I hope nothing's leaking. Figured it would probably smell really good. And then I got pear tree dish soap, a pear tree liquid hand soap, a rainwater liquid hand soap, a clementine liquid hand soap, a rhubarb liquid hand soap, and a rainwater hand lotion, because the rainwater lotion and the soaps both come together in like a, you know, like 2 for deal thing. It was like 2 for $9.99. So that's what I got. And so this is the Pear Tree Scented Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. Removes dirt and freshen surfaces. I actually don't order from them. This is limited edition. Like directly, but I decided to. And I got, what this is. And then these are the 1, 2, they put tape on it, I have to try to protect it from making a mess, but this one looks like a mess. 1, 2, no, it's not it. Nothing for the green. 1, 2, 3 apple scented soaps, the hand soaps. I like the apple. I think these are like out of season, but I don't care, because I go through soap pretty quickly, not that quickly, but and I forget if I like the rain one. I actually like the snow one, the winter snow one a lot. That one is one of my favorites. And then the birchwood, I think that's one of them. That one's also one of my favorites, but the apple one is definitely one of my favorites. I don't know if I actually tried the pineapple. I know I like the apple cider. This is rainwater scent. There's 2 of these. And did they give me 2 soaps instead of 2 lotion? Their lotion and soap. Rainwater liquid hand soap 1, rainwater hand lotion. Oh, it is, wait, hand lotion and soap. I was reading wrong. They come in the same packaging. It's so confusing. I'll probably give this to Daniel in Kaylee's bathroom because he likes to use her bathroom. We were weird. We live together, but like he'll use the main bathroom, like the shower most of the time, and like do, you know, his things sometimes. But he mainly uses her bathroom, especially because we get ready almost the same time when we work. He usually gets up a lot earlier than me though, so like it's just convenient that way. And then this is the Pear Tree Scent dish soap. It says biodegradable formula and cuts grease. And then I have clementine scent hand soap, rhubarb scent hand soap, and I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's it. That's all she wrote, but that's all I got. All I got. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Let me show you. Sorry, it's a little dark in here. Let's see if this light will help you at all. I didn't put the light on. But yeah, these are all the soaps and the lotions and the cleaner. In case you don't believe me. Pear. Soaps. And then this is the lotion. And yeah, that's pretty much everything in there.